My name is Ryan Henderson and I'm the Director of Flight Operations here at Mission Go. The Elsight Halo system has brought unparalleled connectivity to our aircraft and connected not only our pilots with the ground, but also the UTM space as well. It has really helped us to address the problem of connectivity and staying ahead of the curve when it comes to technology in very noise-heavy environments like an urban city. After everything was integrated, Elsight was there every step of the way. We were out in the field testing in the daylight, and the Elsight engineers were up late at night helping us to connect and make sure everything was running exactly as was expected, and they did just that. When we came across the Halo system, it proved to be incredibly robust right from the start. This is a system that is designed for here and now, and they've also made it to be relatively future-proof as technology matures and progresses. The first time that we've been able to use a LTE type system with an uncrewed aircraft that has performed not only to the expectations but beyond. Another future-proof piece of Halo that we really appreciate and enjoy is the remote ID capability that is built in. That makes our job much easier, and it's one less thing that we need to deal with as regulations and rules in the United States continue to evolve and mature. I would describe the experience of working with the Halo rather seamless and very easy. We're able to have connectivity in real time all the time without any question of failure with that link. The game changer feature of the Halo is its innate ability to mesh and fuse multiple data sources in real time and never lose packets from one end to the next. I would definitely recommend the Halo to anybody who is looking for a solution where connectivity is absolutely important, not only to the mission and operation at hand, but to support the safety and the safety culture that should be behind every uncrewed aviation activity. I can tell you that Elsight has just been an absolute pleasure to work with. The way they approached us, the tech support that they provided from the very beginning all the way through the end, and it continues, has been unparalleled.